this media, you would have understood about the operation of the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker breaks or makes a circuit and hence acts like a switch in the system. Circuit breaker can be operated manually or it can also operate automatically by getting close or trip commands. At the end of for low voltage applicants which use MCB or MCCB inbuilt protection, arrangements are made to protect the controlled equipment during fault. Thus the circuit breaker protects the system under fault condition. The fault may be due to short circuit or overload. In case of high voltage systems, external arrangements are made to operate the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker has the following parts for high and medium voltage applications: movable main contacts, fixed contacts, auxiliary contacts, arc quenching medium, arc splitter, arc runner, and spring for movements. Under normal operation condition, the circuit breaker contacts will be in closed condition. Thus, circuit breaker allows the flow of electricity across it. Usually, springs are used to close or open trip the contacts. The spring for closing operation can be charged pneumatically by pressuring or by using an electric motor or manually. The spring for tripping operation gets charged when the breaker is closed. The external protection arrangements of high voltage systems include current transformer, potential transformer, relay, etc. The command signal for tripping the breaker has to be sent by these arrangements for automatic operation. The closing time of CB ranges from 0.3 second to 0.6 second and the typical tripping time is 30 millisecond or less. Under normal condition, the current or voltage through the CT or PT will be in prescribed limit. If it exceeds or lowers the preset value due to some fault, it actuates the corresponding relay. This relay in turn gives trip command to the circuit breaker by closing the trip circuit of the breaker. When trip command is given, the movable contact moves away from the fixed contact and thus interrupts the circuit. All these happen automatically to protect the system from fault. The charged spring releases its pressure to move the movable contact away. Again it has to be charged before the circuit breaker comes to service. An arc is produced due to sudden interruption of the circuit. It has to get extinguished as soon as possible. Arc quenching media like air, oil, vacuum, SF6, etc. quenches the arc produced. Arc splitter and arc runner help in fast quenching of the arc. Once the fault is cleared, the circuit breaker is closed manually or by remote by giving close command by means of a closing coil. Thus you have learnt about the operation of the circuit breaker.